Getting a breaking update as there are reports of fire that has broken out in a shop in C Block in Vasant Vihar. The situation is said to be under control and fire tenders are present at the spot. No casualties that have been reported. This is in Vasant Vihar where this fire has broken out in C Block in a shop in a commercial area where it is being reported. As far as no casualties that have been reported, which is good. The fire tenders are at spot to douse the flames. As you can see, this is a commercial area. Vasant Vihar, many of those areas that have high-end restaurants also in that locality. It is in the C Block where we are told that this fire this morning that has been reported, fire tenders trying their best to douse the blaze. Let me go across to Sabyasachi right now. What is the situation, Sabyasachi?
Well, the situation as of now is under control. The fire tenders have reached the spot and they're trying the best to douse off the fire. And the most important is that no casualties have been reported in this fire. Meanwhile, the fire brigade team would also ascertain the reason behind this fire. Early in the morning, the fire took place and immediately the team of fire tenders had reached the spot. They had took control of the situation. The situation as of now is under control and no casualties have been recorded.
Well, that's a good point as far as no casualties that have been reported. But Sabyasachi, looking at those pictures, it looks like some commercial area restaurant which apparently caught fire. It is said to be a shop in C Block of Vasant Vihar Market.
Well, absolutely. See, the fire took place at Vasant Vihar in C Block. It is a market area. The fire took place in a shop. If you see the pictures, a very clustered area. And at this particular time, the main important of the fire brigade team would be to douse up the fire as soon as possible to make sure that the fire does not spread any further. Meanwhile, the fire tender team have ascertained that no casualties have been reported because of this fire, and the situation as of now is under control.
All right. It is under control as far as Sabyasachi has been pointing out. Thankfully, no casualties that have been reported. However, there is investigation that would be carried out exactly what led to the blaze, but this is a massive fire that was reported at a shop in C Block in Delhi's Vasant Vihar area. This is a posh area, a high-end locality that we talk about, and this is said to be in C Block where we are told that this blaze was reported. However, things are now under control. Several fire tenders were also rushed to the spot. The pictures that are now coming in as far as the situation, which is now said to be under control. In the meantime,